Yeah, g'day pool enthusiasts. So my cell, chlorinator, salt chlorinating cell, crapped itself the other day. They usually last sort of 3 to 5 years, and they priced from about 400 to 700 depending on which one you buy. So what happens is, if you haven't seen them, I'll see if I can get that clear. Right in there is a good looking cell. All the metal plates are in excellent condition, and there's my old one. And you can see in here, that middle one there, don't worry about that white stuff, that's not a problem. But can you see in there? Yeah, that middle plate is worn right away, so that's the problem. So yeah, that's a Zodiac EI Expert chlorinator, and you can't buy these chlorinators now, but yeah, that cell lasted 3.5, the other lasted about 5 or 6. So that sucker there was $600 new, maybe $650. You can buy generic ones for a lot less, but I went with the genuine because it was the middle of summer and it was hot. I just wanted to get one. So there you go. If you're ever wondering why your cell's not working and what a worn cell looks like, that's it. That middle one, she goes. That's the salt one, and that's the end of them. And there we have a chlorinating cell not working. No cloud in there. So basically it was working, and it was a bit intermittent. It would work one day, and then it wouldn't, then finally it just stopped working, and I pulled it out, took it into the pool shop, and the guy said that's stuffed, which was pretty obvious. Popped a new one in and bang, good as gold. And there we have a perfect working cell, which has got an air bubble in it, so I better sort that out shortly. Not a major drama, but just a little one. She'll be right. And it's looking good, nice and cloudy, beautiful.